Today we're going to talk about a super important topic. We'll discuss 6 natural products which have been scientifically researched for their ability to regenerate nerves, boost brain power, enhance cognitive abilities, and fight the effects of aging on the brain. In our stance against misinformation, we provide science-backed content and encourage you to check the references provided in the description. Before we start, be advised that the products discussed here have neurotropic properties, meaning they can stimulate the formation of new nerve cells. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, do not consider these products without medical consultation. In today's world, the combination of daily habits, aging, diet, and environment can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation in many organs, one of which is the brain. Have you ever experienced brain fog or felt like your memory just isn't what it used to be? Or maybe you're worried about brain aging and neurological diseases like Alzheimer's or dementia. You are not alone. These are common concerns. But the good news is that there are some effective and science-backed natural products which can safeguard your brain and act as a brain shield from oxidative damage. We have often been told that nerve damage is irreversible, but some studies suggest that nerve cells do have the capacity to regenerate and grow. Now, how do you like the thought of promoting such nerve regeneration, enhancing your memory and cognitive ability, and shielding your brain? Oh, also, would you like to achieve all that completely naturally? Looks like you're in the right place. We have exactly 6 science-backed natural products to discuss with you which can help you achieve exactly that. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first brain hero is a mushroom. Number 1, lion's mane mushroom. Lion's mane is not just your ordinary mushroom. It has been shown to stimulate the production of nerve growth factors thanks to molecules called hericignones and erinaceus. These molecules can cross the blood-brain barrier and can activate nerve growth factors in the brain. This results in improved neurogenesis and neuroplasticity. Neurons are the main cells of the nervous system. They are responsible for transmitting neurological signals. When neurons are damaged, it can lead to a host of neurological issues, including memory loss, cognitive decline, and even diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Lion's mane mushroom activates the formation of new neurons and their ability to form neural connections. By promoting neurogenesis, lion's mane helps improve overall brain function and aids against brain diseases. In addition to that, it contains unique polysaccharides and antioxidants with strong anti-inflammatory properties. This means that this mushroom also fights off brain inflammation and damage caused by oxidative stress. Lion's mane is also particularly important due to its proposed antidepressant properties. Interestingly, it also promotes healthy gut microbiota and relieves intestinal inflammation, which is important for the gut-brain axis. Lion's mane is very accessible in the form of dried powder, which usually has a shelf life of about a year. It can be added to coffee or tea or even fruit and vegetable smoothies for a combined antioxidant benefit. Before taking lion's mane, consult a doctor who knows you personally, especially if you take blood thinners or diabetes medication. Some reported side effects of this mushroom include allergic reactions, mild gastrointestinal discomfort, and in very rare cases, respiratory issues. Your doctor knows your health and medication history well and can make an informed decision whether this product is good for you or not. Number 2, reishi mushroom. Reishi mushroom is another powerful product with a long history in traditional medicine. It contains unique triterpenoids and polysaccharides which have neuroprotective effects. These compounds help protect against oxidative stress, damage by free radicals, and inflammation in the brain. Oxidative stress occurs when there's more free radicals than antioxidants in the body, leading to oxidative damage to cells and tissues. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can damage healthy tissues, including the brain. By fighting off these brain enemies, reishi acts as a shield and is even proposed to slow down brain aging and some neurological diseases. Additionally, reishi is known for its proposed anti-anxiety and antidepressant effects. This is important because mental health is closely linked to brain health. Reducing anxiety and depression can improve cognitive function and overall quality of life. Reishi mushroom has also been used to help with better quality of sleep. Interestingly, in some countries, reishi is clinically approved for the treatment of myopathy, which is a type of muscle inflammation. Before taking reishi mushroom, consult your doctor if you have any allergies or bleeding disorders, especially if you're taking blood thinners or blood pressure medication. Reishi may also reduce blood sugar levels, so caution is advised if you're diabetic. Reishi is also a very powerful immune booster, so people who take immune modulating medications need to be careful with it. Number 3, cordyceps mushroom. Cordyceps is famous for its energy-boosting properties, but did you know it's also great for your brain? Cordyceps contains cordycepin and adenosine, which enhance brain antioxidant defenses and reduce inflammation. This means it can help protect your brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Cordycepin, in particular, can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to have neuroprotective effects by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. On the other hand, adenosine is a crucial molecule in energy metabolism and signaling in the brain. It plays a key role in promoting sleep and relaxation, which are essential for brain health and function. By supporting energy metabolism and reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, Cordyceps mushroom helps keep your brain healthy and functioning at its best. This is especially important for those dealing with cognitive decline or brain fog, as improved brain energy metabolism can enhance mental clarity and focus. Cordyceps is also investigated for possible anti-cancer properties and joint inflammation relief in animal models of arthritis. Cordyceps may cause allergic reactions and minor digestive issues, but it has also been linked to reduced blood sugar levels. In some individuals, it may even cause hypoglycemia due to a drop in blood glucose levels. If you have diabetes or metabolic syndrome, it's important to discuss with your doctor whether Cordyceps is right for you. Also, this mushroom may not go too well with products containing caffeine, as it would counteract their effects. But enough about mushrooms. Let's talk about trees now. Moving on to our next champion, we have a name that you have probably heard very often. Number 4, Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest living tree species in the world. It has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. The leaves of this tree contain unique flavonoids and terpenoids, which affect specifically the blood flow. They improve blood flow to the brain and act as antioxidants. Improved blood flow is crucial for brain health because it ensures that your brain receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function properly. Good circulation helps to support cognitive functions like memory, attention, and processing speed. Antioxidants in ginkgo, on the other hand, protect brain cells from oxidative damage, thus helping against cognitive decline and neurological diseases. This not only helps with memory loss prevention, but also supports overall brain health and prevents cognitive decline. Ginkgo biloba is researched for its positive effects on Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Some studies have suggested that ginkgo can improve symptoms of Alzheimer's and dementia due to enhancing blood flow and protecting brain cells from age-related damage. Ginkgo is a powerful ally in the fight against cognitive decline and neurological diseases. As you probably noticed, we talk about blood flow when discussing ginkgo. Please keep in mind that if you have the slightest doubt about bleeding disorders, you should consult your doctor before taking ginkgo biloba. Our fifth champion today is a traditional Ayurvedic herb. Number 5, Bacopa monnieri, also known as Brahmi. Brahmi herb is known for its nootropic properties. Nootropics are the so-called smart drugs. They help enhance cognitive function and particularly executive functions, memory, and creativity. Some individuals have reported that Brahmi also helps with motivation. It contains bacosides, which enhance memory and cognitive function by reducing oxidative stress and promoting neurogenesis. In other words, Brahmi helps your brain form new neurons and shields the existing ones from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This is crucial for learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. By promoting neurogenesis, Brahmi helps to support brain plasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and change in response to new information and experiences. It's a fantastic addition to your daily routine if you're looking to boost your brain powers and prevent cognitive decline. Some side effects of Brahmi may include dry mouth and increased bowel movement. Brahmi might be able to interact with thyroid medication, so again, it's important to consult a doctor familiar with your health history. Last, but definitely not least, we have a very special herb champion. Number 6, Rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola is very unique because it is a so-called adaptogen. Adaptogens are chemical compounds that literally help your body adapt to stress. Rhodiola contains compounds like rosavins and saladrosides, which reduce fatigue and enhance mental performance, especially under stress. By reducing the effects of stress, rhodiola helps to protect the brain from cognitive decline, memory loss, and mental health illness. Rhodiola is the superhero friend for mental resilience. Nowadays, stress is a major factor in many neurological diseases, but it can also harm other organs such as the heart, pancreas, and thyroid, thanks to neurohormonal pathways. Managing stress effectively is crucial for overall health. Rhodiola is also known to improve mood and cognitive function, making it a great choice for overall neurological health. Studies have shown that rhodiola can enhance mental performance and reduce fatigue in stressful situations, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve performance under pressure. Once again, as with any other herb or supplement, rhodiola may have side effects. Some people have reported headache, dry mouth, and insomnia, so remember to consult a doctor before taking it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Leave a comment below if you've tried any of these products, or if you have any other brain health tips to share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.